late, and it's time for hugs and stuff, but I had to do my intro. So this is Ro. Ro, you want to say hi to me? Oh, thank you. You're so cool. And distracted. So if you saw Wednesday's video, then you know the kind of stuff that I was going through, and this one actually picks up right around that same time. So unfortunately, because of that, that means that I didn't get a lot of the actual putting in of the subfloor. And then you'll see me cut out for Maxxfans. I had 2 Maxxfan installs and a 2'x4 Skylight that I made. And so I put whatever clips I had of all of those in this, and it made for a pretty short video. Wait, this, and then one, and then this, and then the other foot? Is that right? I don't know. Is that how you put it? The good news is that I don't have to scrape all of this silicone off of here because I'm going to be cutting 2'x4. So some of this is going to get just cut off, which saves a little bit of scraping. Thanks so much for watching. I super appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Like the video if you dig it. Make sure to comment or ask any questions below. I believe next Sunday's video is going to be finishing up some furring strips on the ceiling and the walls, and then also pulling out the windows, painting those, and framing all of that in. Maybe spray foam. Also, maybe. We'll see. I'm going to be putting out a new video every Sunday morning, and I'll see you then.